the whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in a room. I've been so real, I'm down to the tomb. They got a way, they got a move. I got a gas, they one in them fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. Sit it down, you gotta choose. I'm taking my spot, I'm doing food.
So you're Robert. The G-Wagon, he has black interior and he's trying to get some privacy but not too dark. And I was telling him that there's no such thing as a film that where it's dark on the outside you can see through it.
What's going on, guys? So I want to do a shop walkthrough with you today, see what's going on in the shop. First we start outside. Model Y we just finished with ceramic tint, blue, beautiful. Another Model Y, full ceramic tint, blue, twins. G63, the G-Wagon, you know it got tint. This one's pretty awesome. This is a Model X. Got a full paint protection film package on everything. It's the Stealth. So we turned this car to satin. It is amazing. We did the trim and paint protection film and everything. All the paint looks awesome. Back here, we got a Defender that just got dropped off. The whole thing is getting Ultimate Plus Clear paint protection film. So that's coming in shortly to do the whole body paint protection film, 10-year warranty. Won't get scratches or chips anymore. It's protected. Mazda, 2 doors, Town North Mazda, complete. Probably going back shortly. Our Gateway GMC, that one's also complete, so maybe they're going to take them back after lunch. This is Model 3 full tint, full Stealth paint protection film. It's here every week because one of our employees drives it. And we got another truck from the dealer that's complete. Let's go inside and see what's going on. So we're in the shop. We've got a Lexus getting some window tint right now. What's this one getting?
35 XR black.
So ceramic on just the front 2 doors?
Yes sir, stripped and retint.
Okay. This one's obviously getting the whole shebang. They're putting the front windshield on it right now. Is that XR Plus?
XR Plus.
So that's the 2-step multi-layer ceramic film. That's the best you can get. Highest heat rejection on the market. Best group of guys to put it on. New Tundra. Back here, we've got another GMC truck. This one is from a body shop. When they get in an accident and they have paint protection film, whatever panels they repaint, we'll have to come back and put film on those panels. So I believe this is just getting a fender. Is that correct?
Yeah, it's getting fenders in the lower section of the door.
Yep, so a couple pieces on this one. We're gonna come around this way. We got a 2023 Raptor. So full front paint protection, 2023 Raptor. Pretty clean. I don't know how much he's got done on it. What do you got going on, Robert?
The hood's done. Just laying the rest of it at this point.
So still a little bit to go. Think you'll have it all on there today?
Oh yeah.
So this one will be pretty much ready to go, hopefully to deliver back tomorrow. We always keep our cars overnight, even if they're all stuck today, because most people are just trying to wham bam, thank you ma'am, and get them out. What happens is if they don't sit, generally something pops up, you'll have to redo it later. We don't want that to happen for your sake or ours, so we keep it longer. We babysit it, make sure everything's down real good before you take it. If it's gonna pop up later, it's not because we didn't try our best, but it takes the percentages down, way down, you know? But also when I put myself on the hot seat, that means I have to do it.
You're forcing yourself into
Yeah.
full circle.
Yep. It's like the gym. I only go 2-3 hours a week, but I work my ass off when I'm there, you know, and then I balance my food better, and I take the supplements that I'm told to take by the professional to help me recover and be healthy. You know, I get my blood panel done every 3 months. I'm just trying to improve, so I'm not faking it when I say all of it. I'm actually doing it. I have to try to be the example. If I'm trying to push stuff on people or enlighten them, then I have to do it. and so I want to be the example. Whether you reject it or not, at least I'm doing what say I do and try my hardest to do it.
Another one? Another one.
Morning.
Another one. Morning.
You know what? I didn't pay the last one.
Oh. Oops.
Gosh.
Yeah, I remember I didn't pay.
They're gonna get their money. I think it's terrible that we're still paying for North Dallas Toll Road. It's been toll since I was a kid.
Yeah.
From downtown to at least Addison. That's been a toll since I was a kid, and they're still collecting money on us. It's ridiculous. I think once the roads have made the money to pay for themselves, the tolls should go away.
I feel you, man. I pay like $40 every 2 days.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous. I think I paid probably yesterday. I went from here to Mockingbird and back, and I bet you I spent $15 in tolls. I'm serious. I gotta look it up so I can get reimbursed myself, but I'm almost positive it was like $15.
Wow, that's.
You want to pay mine?
No,
Since we're doing all that?
no. I gotta pay the old ladies too. She uses it too.
It's a waste of money.
Bronco or a G-Wagon?
Probably a G-Wagon, because if you pull up to this in Legacy West, in the valet, you get out and you're a short little king, I think everybody will come after you.
Like 6 foot or 6 figures? 6 foot, they go hand in hand.
Depends how high, like 6 foot, like 6'11".
6.
Oh no, I'm thinking 6 figures. You're talking about 6'11". I would have like gone to EuroLeague basketball.
Made millions.
Yeah, but no, if it's just 6 foot flat, no thanks.
So this is your ultimate car.
Yeah. There's one over there, McKinney and Mercedes. Dude, the car, it was like a really big version of it, and it was off-roading. It was $525,000.
Oh, the 4x4 squared.
It was like matte red. It was no PPF, no nothing. It was that's how the way it came. And it was like matte red. It was crazy.
Why would you choose this car?
The G-Wagon, bro.
That's a G-Wagon.
The G-Wagon.
How much horsepower does it have?
See, I'm not all about that. I don't know anything about that. I was about to come up with an excuse. I'm like, I'm gonna go with like 1,000.
1,000 horsepower.
It's loud when you turn it on, though.
Yeah, it sounds good.
We had one earlier today getting a quote. It was like a 2010, same exact thing. It was same exact sound-wise.
Blessed. You should have seen it before. Did you get video of this before? You weren't here?
It's clear.
No, the gap was like this big. It was horrible. No more gaps. It's not enough.
I did see something.
Do you like tinting G-Wagon?
Honest answer?
Yes.
They're not bad. They're just a little tight on the seals, but they're really nice cars, so you don't mind it too much.
What? This?
Yeah.
So the customer won't roll it down. You have a chance of peeling it, especially these, since they have a tight seal. When you roll it down and it's fresh, there's a high chance that the film will catch and peel. But here at Tritek, we run it through some heat cycles. That way, there's the least amount of chance that it does that for free. A lot of shops charge you, right?
Some shops charge you for same day roll down. It's kind of gimmicky to do make a little extra, but we don't want to do that. We just want to make sure it doesn't mess up and save us the trouble, save you the trouble. So we would still do the heat process and all that, but just to be safe, we're not gonna sell you something extra. Just keep it up for extra day, you know. We found good people both ways, and we found horrible people both ways. In my opinion, probably nobody's gonna be as good as you are. But if you can help them get better and just get 70%, 80%, you'll be doing pretty good. And always help them get better, and then reward them for that. I never hired anybody as good as me to tint back when I was tinting like you, the main lead guy all day long. But nowadays, I probably shouldn't go back there, so, and thankfully they usually kicking me out. Yeah, well, you can't worry about that. Just do your best. Don't worry about none of that. Yeah, that's not your problem. That's not going to affect you. You did waste time, and you did your best to help somebody, and that's great. And that's great karma. What they do when they leave, that's not your problem. It won't affect you. Just keep, like, my advice is to take the extra 1-2 people in now and get them ready before summer. And if they don't work, like you said, kind of switch them out and find someone who fits the quickest you can, because summer's coming and you don't have enough help, right?
That's tight.
All right, guys, so today's tip of the week is about balance. You guys know I don't believe in balance. I believe in doing everything with alignment and priorities. I don't think balance is a real thing. I think it's something society talks about, but I don't believe it's real. There's no like work-life balance. I mean, is there a balance on what you eat versus your exercise? Is there a balance when you go home and you watch too much Netflix instead of walk? Eat donuts and pizza? There shouldn't be a balance, work and life. It's all about priorities. So balance is not something that's real, in my opinion. You have to do what's important. Like work, people make it like it's not this important thing, but it's super important. We have to work to eat. We have to work to have a home. We have to work to have a car. We have to work to take care of our kids. We have to work to feed our kids. We have to work to take care of our families. So I like to put work in a tight spot for number 1, 2, and 3 with health and family. Of course, health and family is more important than work, but without work, there's no health and family being taken care of. So that's my tip of the week. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you next week.